Welcome back to my channel. I know you probably was thinking that you were hoping for a live, but sorry. I wanted to try out the Suave collection from the Nourishing Strength Leave-In Conditioner Curl Defining Cream. I wanted to try these products out on my own hair because I really wanted to see how it works on my hair. So I previously washed my hair and it's looking really, really frizzy. Dry, if you will. Oh, and you like seeing hair tutorials and you want to see some hair tutorials from moi, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, there's a little bell just to let you know when I upload, when I go live, those kind of things. Fun little additives. Be in tune, you know, just with me, you know. That's what you're getting when you click the subscribe button and the little bell. It's a whole package. Okay, so it's already split down the middle. I'm gonna start at the back. Is this not a weird angle? Like, I'm already supposed to be detangled already. Hopefully I wouldn't need to do it again. Okay. We're just gonna do a quick through just to be on the safe side. We're gonna put some leave-in conditioner. If you missed last week, it was very entertaining last week. Very funny, very informational. You can watch that video. I'll link it right here. I'll link it right here and let you look at that video. I'll also put it in the description box and link it at the end of the video, just in case you guys don't know where to find it. Of me doing my daughter's hair. Yeah. She has beautiful, beautiful hair. Her hair has really been growing. Okay. It's a knot. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and put the curl defining cream in it. It's very watery. Like I said in the live, I'm more of a gel type girl. But I am curious. There were some areas of my daughter's hair that had really nice hold. And some areas that didn't. So I'm gonna double check. You know, you gotta check your work. This is how it looks now. It looks like it has no definition whatsoever. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing I did over here on this side. See, that was quick. I think more product was used on this side than this side. Look at there. A little more definition compared to this side. Maybe I brushed this one too much and clumped them together. I don't know. I'll be back when my hair is dry. All right, it is not all dry. Okay, now we gotta go to the next part. So I started with a braid to hold it down, and now I'm doing a 3-strand twist down the bottom. I changed my mind halfway through. So I'm gonna let my hair dry for the next day. I was hoping for it to air dry. Hopefully I didn't wet it too much. I may put something on the ends to roll it up. I don't know yet. We're roughing it. We're just trying to see if this product is a good braid out product or twist out. So it is the next day. And I have to say, all day today and yesterday, I didn't feel quite cute. I mean, I don't feel like it's gonna be cute. Sometimes feelings are deceiving. See what we got. We're gonna start out with a little bit of oil. This is a mixed oil that I have. This is like the little bit I have left. Okay, so here's what we have. Now this part right here is bomb. It's like real cute. I'm gonna turn around and let you guys see what the back looks like. Okay, so the biggest reason why I didn't go live today was because I wanted to do this braid out, twist out, and also I'm gonna have guests on Saturday, so I didn't want to be rude and going live and I have guests, so I wanted to make sure that I still present a video to you. If you guys like this video, you can check out the other video. The one I did last week was really, really good. I'll link it again in the description box. If you guys love seeing these tutorials and want to see more of them, please subscribe. And we'll see you guys next week.